iSupport approval cycles. Use approval cycles to require incidents, changes, and purchase requests to be approved by designated support representatives and/or customers before most functions can be performed in iSupport. Change and purchase request functionality is included in the Service Desk Edition. When an approval cycle is in effect for a saved work item, most of the fields will be disabled, except correspondence and work history, and an alert bar will appear at the top of the screen. However, if you want to enable approvers to edit work item fields, except status, for a work item in an approval cycle, you can do that via a configuration setting. You can use the Approvals icon to display the approvers and status of each approval in the approval process. Approvals can be serial or concurrent. If enabled for an approval cycle, support representatives can initiate an approval cycle in the incident, change, and purchase request screens by selecting Ad Hoc Approval after a record has been saved. Approvers can be added or removed. A configuration setting in the Support Representative Profile screen enables an individual support representative to override approvals. Approval cycles are automatically initiated via rules in the rule group that is in effect for the work item. Administrators can easily configure a rule that can apply either an initial approval cycle or a cycle that is associated with a customer profile, company profile, or category. When setting up an approval cycle, you can designate approvers, assign default statuses, and create customized notifications for approval events. That's it for an overview of iSupport's approval cycle functionality. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them via email at support@isupport.com or via phone at 360-397-1099. They're available from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, Monday through Friday, and from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST on Saturday and Sundays for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.